Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yesterday users in my company deleted important files on their computer and could not recover it. I made this video to help people back up their data when accidentally deleted and folder errors. These are normal files, like Word, Excel, PDF, photo. This is user data. Computers that have not configured previous versions will not have previous versions of the folder appear. There is an application on your computer called Task Scheduler that will create a schedule so you can restore corrupted files to their previous versions. I will create a new folder, then rename it Shadow Copy. You can change the name to whatever you want. In this folder, I will create a new task. I will name it Test and select Run whether user is logged on or not. On the Trigger tab, select New to create parameters for a new trigger. You can choose as you like. In the video I will choose daily. The starting time is the current time. At the Action tab, select New to create a new action. I will choose the WM command, add arguments, enter, shadow copy call create volume equals C. You can change C drive to other drives. At the Conditions tab, I will leave the initial configuration as default. Switch to the Settings tab and check all the boxes. Enter the current user password and press OK. I have completed creating a new task. The C drive folders have not created old versions when I have not selected Run Task Test in Task Scheduler. Now I will proceed to activate it. When you launch the task, old versions will be created in the Previous Version tab of the folder in Drive C. I will permanently delete the files in this folder and then restore it. You cannot press Ctrl+Z, and the files will not come back. To restore it, select Properties. At the Previews Version tab, select the version of the file you want and press Restore it. The files in the folder were restored successfully. I will check it. It was back to the original version, before I launched the task in Task Scheduler. I will create a task for the computer's D drive. Change the argument to shadow copy call create volume equals f backslash. So the previous version of drive F has been successfully created. I will format drive F to check if drive F can recover data. So it will not be possible to recover data when you format drive F, you can only restore it when you delete it. To increase the severity, I will try with file encryption viruses to check if the data can be recovered. I will try with WannaCry to encrypt data. I recommend disconnecting the network connection between the virtual computer and the real computer to avoid data risks. When users accidentally activate the virus, it quickly encrypts files in your computer. My files are completely encrypted and cannot be opened with any application. Of course, I won't have to worry because this is just a demo and practice in a virtual environment. This data is not important. I will restore the data in the drive from versions before the virus encrypted the file. I still keep my data safe by using Task Scheduler. When you restore, the computer still keeps both files, the file before the virus encrypted and the file that was encrypted. Continuing, I will restore this computer's C drive data. Okay, I have successfully restored these files. After recovering the data, you can reinstall the operating system to continue working. Protecting user data is very important. In this video I show you one of the proactive ways to protect personal data. If your computer has encrypted data, decryption is extremely difficult and costly. I will end the video here, hope it is useful for you. Don't forget to register and follow. If you can't configure, please join the group and message me, I will support you.